Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to do competitive research with Claude AI. And right now I'm here in the Claude AI application, and if you want to do this, it's quite simple how you can turn this setting on. Because right now when I'm typing something down here, let's do how are you doing? He is just giving me an answer, and that is not based on competitive research. Because what we need to do after this question, we need to click right here on this plus icon and click here on web search. So right now we can start competitive research. So right now if I'm telling give me the 10 biggest YouTubers real time, now he is searching. And then Claude is now thinking about what he needs to say. And there it is, searching the web. And if you see searching the web, that means that the competitive research is working. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.